Hello guys, Evil Muffin here. Okay, don't call me Evil Muffin here. Don't call me Evil Muffin anymore. There's already a guy called Evil Muffin on YouTube. What the fuck? What the? Dude! Why is there a guy called Evil Muffin on YouTube? That's my username. Come on, dude. Are you see? Okay. Looks like I'm gonna have to change my name to Pixel Panda. I like pandas. Yeah, I'm just making this video just to tell you that I will be making videos. So don't worry, dudes. I will be making a video. So I'll be back when I open my Minecraft and I freaking show you my new skin. Yeah, and my new name because I just freaking made a new account right now. I have to buy a new account. Even Muffin wasn't actually an account, it was actually a cracked name. So Pixel Panda, I actually bought an account for it, so I'll be back when I freaking open the page. Oh my god, if even Muffin, if you're hearing this, you're fucking copying. Oh my god, I actually never realized I actually had Slenderman in this. What? I actually had Slenderman? Okay, one sec. Come on. God, I never knew I actually had Slenderman in this. And when did I download this? When did I download Slenderman? Oh my god, I actually have Slenderman. Okay, maybe this is what the actually have it, but I lag in it. Why am I lagging? When I look on the floor, I'm not lagging, and when I look up, I'm freaking lagging. Why is that? Whoa, there's a fence there. Why am I lagging when I look up? But when I look down, I'm like, yeah. Hey. Is that how you run? Shit, dude, I can't lag. I can't make a series on freaking Slenderman if I'm gonna lag. Well, I'll just like freaking say it later. I'll talk about it later in the video. Well, it's been nice freaking looking at it. Oh my god. Okay guys, oh no, oh never mind, I'm fine, I'm freaking fine, mind that right there, yeah, okay, so this is my new skin, how do you like it now? I wish there's no YouTuber that actually has this skin. See my little cake there? I wish there's no YouTuber that has this. Why am I suddenly? I wish there's no YouTuber that has this skin. I'm gonna be so pissed off. Swear, dude. This is the part where I said thanks for 10 subscribers. Okay, one sec. Yeah, and it's the thing I was just testing. What? Freaking lagging stuff. Yeah, thanks for 10 subscribers. Okay, so messed up. And, I will be making videos. Shit, that made me lag. I wish no one actually has this skin, because I'd be so pissed off. Please tell me if you know a YouTuber that has this skin, because I'm really gonna be pissed off a lot. Oh dude, Okay, so we're gonna be playing a survival series, not survival. It's called freaking. What's it called? Oh, can you freaking win this, dudes? This is my armor I'm gonna be choosing. Can I wear it, please? Why am I I'm so pissed off right now. Why am I lagging? Oh shit, no. It's not because of, I know it's not because of the recording, though. I'm not gonna blame the recording. Bandicam, yes, because my friend, you know, he got bandicam. Okay, so get ready. Let us fight the beasts. One sec. Set 80,000. Keep it like that. We can set it to easy. So we're gonna have some mob spawning. Are you ready? Go! Come on, bitch. What you want, bitch? What you want? What you want? Whoa. What you want, bitch? What you want? Oh, look, I was trying to write thanks for 10 subscribers, but I was like so lazy. What you want, bitch? What you want? What you want? What you want? You can see my bow styles. Oh shit, my bow skins. I know it's lagging, dudes, but I can't do anything. Shit. Let me see that. Shit. Ah, yeah. Ah. Oh, I'll be, you know what? I'll be back, trying to fix the, try and fix the lag, and, yeah. I'll be back trying to fix the lag, dudes. Yeah. I'll see you there. Whoa, dude. No, dude, hit it, whoa, dude, Oh, Java. That fucking scared the shit. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. That freaking shit scared the shit out of me. Nah, I really got scared. Like, Java, water. Okay, oh shit. See my fast skills at typing this? I'm gonna wear a diamond armor this time. Dude, there was a freaking pit with, I don't wanna run into that again. It's creeping me out. What? What's the message say? It says okay. So embarrassing, names. Okay, let's try it one more time, I guess. And then we'll freaking please tell me a game we can do, cause like no one's commenting right now, cause I'm not doing videos. Yes. And let's do that again. Game mode 0. Whoa, that is freaking run, creeper, save me. Come on, asses, what you got on me? You got nothing. You got nothing. Shit, it's one creeper. The other. Holy shit. Lag! Whoa! Shit, dude. Sup, creeper? What you want? Jump! La! I can swear off screen. You can't get me, skeleton. You can't get me. Whoa, freaking land. Can't get me. Can't get me. Can't get me. Stop lagging. I was so pissed off that time. I was trying to play with the skeleton. You just sitting. I'm done. I give up. Yeah, dudes, I'm done. What you want, dudes? By the way, okay. I'm gonna start for like 1 sec. I'm saving his video, right? Yeah. Frikinsayin. Yeah, I'm saving your videos again. I know it said it was nice because I saw it like for a sec, and then it got deleted by someone. Yeah, you. Don't stare at me like that. Frikinsayin. You don't delete it again, okay? Go, yalla, go. What do you want from me? Sorry, got deleted by someone, and I had to reload it. Reload. Is this a good name? Connor Reloaded. Is that a good name? Freaking name it my. Okay, you know what? You guys tell me what freaking. I know I'm like nothing fun. Do you want me to put Slenderman on? I don't. Yeah, okay, I'll just put it like for fun. Please, you get to choose my channel's name. If you want it like Fraxento, Del Rio, John Cena, something like that, you know. Anything. And yeah, this is Slenderman. Let's play it, Nash. I hate the frog. I'm taking the frog out. Grass level, 3 detail. Not that much view. Sure, I hate that sound. It's good hell. Okay, please, like, you can tell me whatever. It's like going good. Like, how much have I recorded? I'm like showing you my recording right now. You wanna see this one? Wanna see it? Are you gonna come on? I just wanna show my viewers this video I just made. I know it's boring. Sorry guys. I'll make another video next time. It's not boring. I didn't really like Impossible because it made me so freak out. Not freak out, like be like so stuff, dude, stuff, playing on the iPad right now. Why not talk to? Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this tiny video. Is it a tiny video? I freaking look at it when I finish uploading it. It's like 10 minutes or something, but I can't freaking see on the sass. This assassin. I know it's gonna be like right over here. It's gonna be like using trial version. It's gonna be like using trial version. Please purchase. I don't want to purchase, okay? What I was saying, I'm gonna be honest. What I was saying in the chat, I don't want to waste my money, was false. I'm very sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm really sorry I lied. It's the first time I lied on YouTube. And yeah, like I'm really sorry. I actually don't have money on my I don't even have an account on freaking computer, dude. I don't even have one. It freaking sucks. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I just forgot what I was talking about. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, dudes. That's all I have to say. Please hit that like button, like Islamic account. I'm not making fun of Islamic account, okay? Just like saying, for the guts. I have the guts to say it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to. I'm not forcing you, I don't judge. And yeah, that's all I got to say. One sec before I end this video. I don't have money on my computer, so I know I freaking bought an account, but now I don't have money on my computer. Please purchase. I hacked my computer with my other computer, my other laptop. That's my cousin's house, and I freaking bought an account. Happy? And so I don't want to freaking hack again because I feel sad for them too. Feel sad for them. Their accounts are going away, their money. So yeah. And I know it says trial version like right here or something, somewhere in this area. And Vexato, is that a Swedish name? Vexato. Like, am I saying it Swedish or is it a Swedish name? I talk Arabic and Swedish, by the way. I'm mostly from Swedish, but I learned Arabic. Isn't that weird? Such a weirdo. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, thanks Vexato, whatever. Please, I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. Thanks for the pictures. I will see them again, and I will see them again. Yeah, I will, and I will show the viewers what you did with my picture, how you made it. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I will not buy this, so you will always see trial version. Please purchase right here. I'm very sorry guys, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye. See you next time on wow, that was so awkward. I was gonna be like evilmushroom.com, but I don't have them. Okay, just guys, before I leave, before I say goodbye again, I just want to remind you again that you are gonna choose my channel thingamabob. You're gonna choose my channel. My double is getting disturbed. Freaking asshole. Freaking da. And yeah, remember you'll be choosing my channel's name. I know I said it like 3 times now. And yeah, that time I say yeah. Okay. And I'm not gonna say yeah again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember what I just said right now. And bye. See you next time.